super artists. Welcome back to Mr.PAINTER. Today we have a really fun character to color. It's Mr. Stumble from Stumble Guys. He's got a cool green hat, a bright orange shirt, blue pants, and black shoes. Ready to color? Let's go! Let's start with Mr. Stumble's awesome green hat. I'm using a nice bright green. Make sure to color it nice and smooth. This hat keeps him safe during all those stumbles. Don't forget like my video and subscribe my channel. What about you, my friend? Do you love drawing? To draw? Let me know in the comments. For his bright orange shirt. Orange is such a happy and fun color. Perfect for a funny guy like Mr. Stumble. Try to stay inside the lines as you color. Let's color his blue pants next. I'm choosing a nice deep blue to make them stand out. He needs strong pants for all that jumping and tumbling. And now for his black shoes, perfect for running, jumping, and falling down. Color them carefully so they look bold and cool. And we're done. Mr. Stumble looks ready for the next crazy race. Great job, little artist. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. Painter for more colorful adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.